Cheers mga kabunso! Good evening, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, good evening mga kabunso. My name is Edwin, and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make blue kamikaze. Sa blue kamikaze, mga kabunso, for the blue kamikaze, you need this vodka, and blue curacao, and fresh lemon juice, and of course my shaker and my jigger, and of course again for the garnish I will prepare this lime for the garnish. And for the glass, you need for the glass cocktail glass. So mga kabunso, let's start for blue kamikaze. So first step mga kabunso, you need to make chilled your cocktail glass first. So just put some ice. Mga kabunso, the purpose of this ice is for the chilling your cocktail glass. Because if you put if you put all your cocktail drinks or any drinks to the warm glass, the taste is different. Is not good. So better you always chill the glass, because if they chill the glass, of course you can drink nicely and refresh. So too much talking, ha? So anyway, mga kabuso, let's do it. This is first step for the blue kamikaze. 2 shots of vodka. Two shots means 60 ml of vodka. 60 ml of vodka and 30 ml of blue curacao. Blue curacao, 30 ml. Blue curacao and fresh lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is 20 ml of just 20 ml only. Because if you put too much, it becomes sour. So just 20 ml. And then I did not put sugar syrup because this blue curacao is sweet already. So put some ice. And shake it belly. And now your glass is chilled, so you can see. So you can see the water, and can see this your glass is chilled already. It's cold. So this one is a double strainer because usually if you pour direct to the cocktail glass, there is a small flakes of ice. So no need to that one. So you need the double strainer. So see exactly. No more. No more. Exactly. So here we go. Almost done. Your blue kamikaze. So you need garnish. I prepared for the garnish lemon wheel. So here we go. Your garnish lemon wheel. So here we go, mga kabunso. Your blue kamikaze is ready. Cheers! So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching. And mga kabuso, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and share. And thank you. And this is my favorite, the tasting time. So, cheers mga kabuso. Mm. Strong. Strong and it's nice. What can I say? So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching. Cheers! Your blue kamikaze.